Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Milani Pramudita, NIM 2021-11277 from class 2V Management. I'm here to explain about currency and graphic. Say the first thing I explain is currency. Currency is a system of money income use, especially for people in a nation. For example, dollars, euro, Japanese yen, and pound sterling. These are the ways to reading correct by for currency or number. First, here is number 23 with dollar symbols, meaning $23. Next, here is $530. Next is pound symbol. $55 pounds 20. Next, meaning 125 pounds. Next, meaning 66 euro 66. Next, 57 euros. Next, 57 euros. Next, there is everything 900 and $99. Symbol dollars. $99. Next, $58. $58. Next, 65 pounds 32 pounds. 65 pounds 32. Next, 150 pounds. Pound symbol. 150. Next, 25 euros 32. Euro 25. Euro 32. Next, this is decimal. The next is decimal. There are number 18 point 68. 18.68. Rating as point because there is no currency symbol and this decimal. Point 68. Next, this is percent, meaning 55.65%. Next meaning 5.222. Next, This is 6.67%. Next, there is breathing 24.95. Breathe it 20.95. Next, there is breathing 4.555. Next is bigger number. There is breathing English number, there is a word N. Artinya jika breathing English ada tambahan kata N. If American English there is no word N. Artinya jika American English tidak ada tambahan N. Example 877,265 American English 877,265. Next, 2M meaning 2 million. Next, 3 billion meaning 3 billion. Next, 2.8 billion dollar. This is artinya di sini ada BN, berarti di sini billion. Next, there is rating 7.22 million pounds. With it, pounds 7.22 million M. Next, there is rating 90.88 billion dollars. 98 point 90 point, I'm sorry, 90.88 billion BN dollars. Next is graphic. This is a line graphic. First, point A started from 1 million pounds from 2005. Yes. Next, point B. Sales of jewelry has increased. Itu artinya naik from 1 million pounds to 2 million pounds. This from 25 to 26. Point J. Point J. Sales of jewelry has increased from 2 million pounds to 3 million pounds from 2006 to 2005. Has increased from point B to point J. From 2 millions to 3 millions. As increased. Point D meaning stop rising. From 3 millions at 3 millions. From 2007 to 2008. Jadi artinya ini lurus, stop rising. Next, point E. Point E has increased naik. From point D has increased to point A. From 2008 to 2009. from 3 millions to 4 millions. Next, point B. Sales of jewelry has increased from 4 million pounds to 6 million pounds. From 2009 to 2010 has increased from point A to point B. Next, point K. Reps point. Point K. Sales of jewelry reach a peak point. Peak point itu artinya berada di puncak. Puncak point. From point B, 6 million pounds. Reach a peak point to point K is 9 million pounds from 2010 to 2011. Next, point H. Sales of jewelry has decreased. Has decreased itu artinya turun. From point K to point H. Decreased, turun. From 9 millions to 5 million pounds. From 2011, 2011 to 2012. Next, point E. Sales of jewelry has decreased. Decreased itu artinya turun. From point H to point E. Point H decreased, point E. Next, point J. Point J. Sales of jewelry has stopped rising. Stopped rising itu tetap lurus, ya. From 2013 to 2014. Next, sales of jewelry has decreased from 3 million pounds to 2 million pounds from 2014 to 2015 has decreased. Has point J has decreased to point K. Next, sales of jewelry has increased. Increased itu naik ya tadi artinya. Point K has increased point L. Sales of jewelry has increased from 2 million pounds to 5 million pounds. Next, sales of jewelry has increased from 5 million pounds to 6 million pounds from 2016 to 2017 has increased. Has increased to point L. Has increased from point L to point M. Next, point N. Sales of jewelry has decreased from 9 million pounds to 4 million pounds from 2017 to 2018. From point M has decreased point N. Next, sales of jewelry has decreased from 4 million pounds to 2 million pounds from 2018 to 2019. nih, has decreased from point N to point O. Next, point P. Sales of jewelry stopped rising. Stopped rising berarti artinya tuh datar sini. Stopped rising 2.0 from point O, I'm sorry, from point O to point P from 2019 to 2012. Okay. That's all from my explanation. If there is a wrong word, I'm apologize. Thank you.